Today we are going to talk about how to create a sentence, or we are going to talk about parts of a sentence and which part does a sentence have. The first part of a sentence is subject. What is subject? Some people say the doer of an action is called subject. It means who do the action, it is our subject. Like Ali eats an apple. Here Ali is our doer. The second one, Han plays cricket. Here who do the action? Han. Got it, student? Or some people say that subject, what does predicate say is called subject. Here we mention predicate. What is predicate? Without of subject, the rest of a parts is called predicate. Like Ali is a boy. Here we talk about Ali. Here Ali is not doer nor receiver. Or the window is broken by Ali. Here who done the action? Ali. The window is not subject in this sentence. Or some people say this is Ali's home. Here we talk about who? We talk about Ali. Here Ali came in the middle of a sentence. Got it, student? Now let's discuss about the third grammar. Subject is a part of a sentence which whole sentence is talking about it. Like she is a girl. Here we talk about she. The second one, she is playing game. The first one here they show state, but the second sentence it's shown as an action. Who playing the game? She. Got it, student? The second part of a sentence is called verb. What is verb? Verb, it shows an action, state, or existing. Verb show these three things. The first one, he walks in the park. Here it shows an action. The second one, he is a boy. It shows his state. The third one, he is at home. Here it's shown as the existence of him. We have two kind of verb. One of them is action verb. We use our action verb we use in our energy like eat, drink, walk, or etc. Like he eats an apple. He drinks water. Ali walks in the road. Here we use energy. Or he plays cricket. Second, to be verb or stative verb. It shows state. We have three kind of stative verb. Is, am, are. It's for he, she, it in one person, one noun. Like he is a boy. Or Ali is at home. The second one, am. I am a teacher. I am Muslim. And the third one we use for you, we, they, or two noun. Like you are a student. We are Afghans. They are my friends. Ali and Han. Here they means two people are in the home. Got it, student? Now we discuss about the third part of a sentence. It's called object. In here we have one object and or complement or one complement, but we will discuss about complement after that. Object is the receiver of an action. Our action is done by someone, an object. Like Ali calls me. Here action is done by me. She loves Ali. We eat an apple. Here our action is done by an apple. This part is also included in object, but some people are confused and some people don't decide it is complement or it is object. It is relative to object. Got it? Like complement. What is complement and what is object? Complement is a part of a sentence which complete the meaning of a sentence. It means by this part we give complete our sentence. Like the first sentence, he is a boy. If we omit a boy, it doesn't give complete meaning. By this part, it gives complete meaning. It is complement. We are in the park. If we omit the park, we are in where? Home, hospital, or park. Or he is driving the car. If we say he is driving what? It doesn't give complete meaning. Ali and Khan are talking now. Here, if we say Ali and Khan are what? Are walking, eating, or talking. It by talking now it gives complete meaning. Let's talk about the difference between complement and object. Complement is complete our sentence, but object show done an action by whom. In complement we include place, time, adjective and adverb. But in object we have noun, object pronoun and receiver. These three. Got it? If do you have any kinds of question, then comment it our YouTube channel. Thank